all right, today's video is a special video because it's about this special boy, Cali. Cali caught maybe the best wave of his life, and then it went so far, too far, that he went into the rocks. Scraped up your feet. It was really scary. Okay, it's not coral, it's just a rock. It's just a rock, you're okay. Okay?
I don't like it.
You're okay, you're okay. Hey, remember the stay calm part. You're safe. You're safe, stay calm. I got you safe. Okay? I got you safe. Yeah, can I tell you? When you get that close to the, usually the wave stops. But that wave kept going and going. It was such a good ride by you. You did such a good job, but when you start to get closer to the rock, closer to the wall, that's when you just jump off.
That's what I did.
I know, but jump off a little bit sooner. Okay? You did great. You did great, and that's why you're safe. Did your feet touch the rock? Oh, good. It didn't cut it. It was just scary. Yeah? You're safe. No cuts or anything. Okay? That was your best wave so far. You did great.
I thought those are one so far.
Hey, you keep getting better and better. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, grab my leash and I'll help you out, okay? You got it? All right, don't let go.
But it was a good wave.
It was a great wave. And then what did you do?
Kept calm.
And got back on the horse. So we didn't want to end on that terrible, scary wave, so we waited and waited till Cali was calm and feeling safe again, and we went for one last wave so we could end on a good one. Ooh, small one. This one's great. Wow, small one. Okay, you're in a good position. Start the paddle. Perfect. And remember to pop up to your feet, okay? Pop up to your feet.
I got you, I got everything, I've got you.
Do you know what the family surprise is? Like, do you know what's happening on June 1st?
No,
Is it a big surprise or a little surprise?
I don't know.
If you had to guess, what's the big surprise?
A pool?
No. Bye. See you June 1st.
That?
You really not know what the surprise is?
No, is it like a bowling pin?
Yeah. A bowling pin.
Oh,
What do you think? Is that a small surprise or a big surprise?
a big surprise.
It's really big, huh?